Here we go. It is the Australian star, in my view, over at CommSec. Tom Piotrowski in Olympic parlance. How are we looking today, Thomas?
We haven't quite made it to the podium this morning, Pete.
You have in my eyes, my friend, every day.
Well, the reality is, Pete, we've seen something of a yard sale where Wall Street's been concerned overnight. There's been a stiff sell-off for US stocks. The Dow Jones down 1.3%. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have suffered their worst declines since the end of December 2022. The Nasdaq down 3.6%, the S&P 500 down 2.3%. So you might recall yesterday, Pete, we spoke about Tesla and Alphabet after the US market closed. Their numbers were spotty in the case of Alphabet and disappointing in the case of Tesla. And this really marked a reflection on how far technology names have rallied over the course of the last couple of months. And it really gave investors pause to think about what's next in terms of the AI cycle, at least, but technology stocks more broadly. And that has seen Tesla shares sell off by 13% this session, and we've seen Alphabet shares down by about 5%. So that's just an example of how energized sellers were. They're just wanting to capitalize on the improvements that we've seen in recent times, get a clearer read on the dynamics that are going to be driving profitability over the course of the medium term, and that all translated to that sell-off. We saw Nvidia shares down by 7%, Supermicro down 9%, Ford shares disappointed after the market closed, Pete, and that stock is down by about 10% in after-hours trades. So with all of that, the ASX 200 is going to be down by about 1%, but there is salvation on offer. We saw mining and energy stocks do a little bit better in European trade. They're amongst the best performers, so that might be a factor helping the local share market today.
All right, well, watch out for that. Tom, thank you.